Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi madam, my name is Muhammad Mihwan bin Amin, 243 UG 245 H4 from Bachelor of Marketing. Will present my assignment 3, which is project 1.0 introduction. So the brand that I chose is College Mara Kuala Nerang KMKN, and my event microsite is International Innovation Entrepreneurship Carnival 2036. So the purpose of the website is to promote IIEC 2036, provide comprehensive event information, attract participants and partners, serve as the main platform for the registration, competition details and communication. And for 2.2, target audience is the website is designed for secondary school students, undergraduate international students, young innovators, teachers, institution and lecturers. So when someone want to make an innovation, so this is the place to use perfectly by using IIEC. So what the KMKN needs goals, they want to make sure the event and information and guidelines clear, registration process are clear, competition categories and criteria are stated, booth rental details and event updates and contact channels. So the main features I provide here is for home, about, register and contact. So for the home, there is event title, date, time and venue. What is IIEC? Event countdown timer, feedback and past event gallery. For the about section, there are event theme and categories, judges criteria, competition, booth rental package and frequently asked questions. For the registration part is there are application form, group name, group leader, group email and phone number to make sure that the complete information for them to proceed to submission. And then contact section is message form and social media platform. So here is the sitemap that follow the main features just now: home, about, register and contact. So here is International Innovation and Entrepreneurship Carnival 2036. So what we come up with from homepage is event name, date, time and venue, with also the slogan. And I also come up with a techie video background. And then when we scroll and bring to what is IIEC 36, and this is discover more button that lead us to about page, and that's it. Back to home again. Here also I provide the countdown, event countdown to IIEC date, important dates to audience to know more about registration date, event day and many more. And then I also provide 4 key benefits what the audience can get from IIEC 2036, and also innovators feedback to show that how function and how benefit the IIEC 2036 to innovators out there. And there is also IIEC 2035 reminiscences canvas, like showing all the gallery throughout the length of IIEC 2035, which is past event of IIEC. And here is our footer, IIEC 2036, home, about, register, contact. So all functions and social media also. So let's go to about page, about section. So here is ready for IIEC 2036 with theme and category. And here is list of category. I use the tab for 4 tabs so it shows all the categories in IIEC 2036. Here also I provide judging criteria, which is innovation, pitching and poster. And then competition booth rental package. So here are two package that innovators can choose. And then when they click the get started, they will go to work page, which is registration, that shows application form, and then they need to fill in the form and submit it. So like Maverick, Arna, ABCDEL, HTML. So back to about. So let's move to FAQs, frequently asked questions. So I provide for question and answer to make sure audience clear more about how to join IIEC. So move to contact us section. So this is a message application form. So when there is a few questions, so they can ask us throughout leave us a message form, and then they can submit it. So what if they want to more directly or physically? So they can use this, email us, and they can give can a call, and can go to location, static location, and can reach out to Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So for example, here is KMKN TikTok's official TikTok, and then location. So whenever they want to go to KMKN, there is a direction here. And then, so here also in navigation bar, I provide the registration button. So register now and hover, and same, let the audience to registration form. And I think that's all from now from me. Thank you, madam. That's all from me for now. Thank you, madam, for the guidance and the support. Assalamualaikum.